Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how to modify a capacitor batch query to work seamlessly with InfluxDB version 2.7.10. If you're working with time series data and rely on Kapacitor for processing and alerting, understanding how to adapt your queries is crucial as InfluxDB evolves. This tutorial is designed for both beginners looking to learn about Kapacitor and its integration with InfluxDB, and experienced users needing to update their queries to ensure compatibility with the latest version of InfluxDB. In this video, we'll delve into the steps and considerations necessary to adjust your capacitor batch query. We'll break down the process into logical segments, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make these modifications yourself. Whether you're dealing with simple data processing tasks or complex alerting systems, being able to adapt your queries is key to maintaining efficient operations. Firstly, let's understand what capacitor is and its role in conjunction with InfluxDB. Capacitor is a part of the tick stack: telegraph, InfluxDB, chronograph, and capacitor, designed for real-time data processing and alerting. It allows you to define tasks that run on streams of data from InfluxDB, making it an indispensable tool for monitoring and automation. To modify a capacitor batch query for compatibility with InfluxDB 2.7.10, the first step involves reviewing your existing queries. Look out for any deprecated functions or methods that might have been updated in InfluxDB's latest version. This is crucial because Kapacitor relies on the InfluxDB API to fetch and process data. One of the significant changes you might need to account for involves how data is fetched and processed in batches. InfluxDB 2.7.10 introduces several improvements in its query engine, including enhanced support for batch queries. However, this also means that any existing queries relying on older logic or syntax may not work as expected. To adapt your capacitor batch query, you'll need to ensure it aligns with the new InfluxDB API specifications. This might involve updating the syntax of your queries to match the latest standards, or adjusting how data is fetched in batches to optimize performance. Let's consider an analogy to help understand this process better. Think of adapting a capacitor batch query like tuning a car for a different type of fuel. Just as the car needs adjustments to run efficiently on the new fuel, your query needs to be adjusted to work seamlessly with InfluxDB 2.7.10. For instance, if you were previously using a specific function that has since been deprecated and replaced in InfluxDB 2.7.10, you would need to identify this function in your query and replace it with the new equivalent. This process involves not just replacing code, but also understanding how these changes impact the overall logic of your batch query. Review your capacitor queries for compatibility with InfluxDB 2.7.10. Identify and update any deprecated functions or methods to their latest equivalent. Ensure your batch query aligns with the new InfluxDB PRP specifications. Test your updated queries thoroughly to ensure they work as expected. In adapting a capacitor batch query to work with InfluxDB 2.7, 2 points a thoughtful and methodical approach. By understanding the changes in InfluxDB's latest version and how these impact your existing queries, you can efficiently modify them for seamless integration. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps involved, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand how to adapt your capacitor batch queries, and consider subscribing for more tutorials and insights into working with InfluxDB and Kapacitor. Thank you for watching.